Fisher Kitchen Club. Today we are going to see how to make this beautiful flower decoration. You will need a pot of your own and paint it beautifully. Let's see the material we need. First we'll need 2 sheets of A4 sized papers. You will need some pink paper, green paper and some blue paper. You will also need a pencil or a small round object to trace it along. I chose a clay container, some glue, a paintbrush and some green paint and scissors. Let's see how to make this beautiful flower. First you take your pink or blue paper. I'm going to start off with the pink, and take your clay container or any other round object and trace it around and make as many circles as you want and cut it out. I'll show you once I'm done cutting all of these circles. I have made all my circles. I'm going to show you how to make the petals. First fold it in half and then fold it in half again. So you're going to make it into this type of triangle but folding it 2 times. So then you have your pencil and then you're going to want to draw a big leaf so that it takes most of the space and you'll have beautiful big petals. I'll show you once I'm done making all of the petals like this. It should look like this. It will have petals like this. Now we are going to want to cut the shape of the petals, and be careful when you're cutting. Don't cut it this way. Just cut it this way on the top, only the top part. If you cut it on the bottom also, it may open and you won't have the perfect petals. I'll show you once I'm done cutting all of the petals like this. Once you're done, it should look like this. Some petals. I'll show you once I'm done cutting everything like this. Once you've got these petals like this, you can fold it back to normal like a heart shape. Then only will your flower petals be beautiful and perfect. Now do the same to all of the flower petals you've made, and then I'll show you how to do the rest of the. Once you have it like a heart, you want to fold it once more so that it looks like one petal of the flower. Then only will it be easier for you to fold it and paste it inside one another. I'll show you once I'm done doing all of them. Then after you're done doing all of folding them in, you can take the biggest flower petal and then you can glue it inside like this. So don't put the glue on the tip over here or else it won't stick properly. Put it on the other petal which you're going to stick the other flower petal. So you can stick it in the middle just like that. If you want, you can take any sharp object and press it down so that it will be easier to stick. Then you can paste other flower petals inside of it. Don't put too much glue or else it will overflow. And then you can do the same until you're done with a small flower. After you're done putting 3 normal layers of flower petals, you can take your scissor and just cut one slit till the middle, and after you're done one slit, take one petal out of it and then you can apply your glue on the other petal, and then you want to attach it like this so that it becomes like a small flower folded in. And then as you go, you can cut one petal out, but when it gets smaller and smaller, cut 2 petals out. I'll show you once I'm done cutting 1 petals out, and I'll show you how to make the 2 petals. Now after you're done making that, you can attach it into the rest of your flower petals You can take the scissors and again press it down to the middle so that it will be easier for you. Now let's glue this in too. Now you do the same technique to it. Now once you're done pasting those two, you want to cut 3 petals off of the flower. 1, 2, 3. You can cut it till here. Then only will it be small enough for you to fit it in there. Then just like we did earlier, apply a little bit of glue and then attach it forward and then paste it in. You just want to put a little dot in there so that it's not too much or too less. Now we can attach it at the bottom. Do it gently or else the whole flower will break apart. Now you've cut the 3 petals. Don't cut them apart or else you can't make the inner section. Now you just want to do it gently or else it will break apart. Take little bit of glue and then attach it very slowly together. Don't put it all the way around. Gently it should look like this. You have to wait for it to set and be glued together. Once it's done, you can do the same as we did to the other petals, gluing them inside of the other petal. But for the small one, you should be very gentle or else it might break apart. I'll show you once I'm done pasting the other 2 petals. You don't have to do it a bit too harsh. You should do it gently so that it won't break apart. So we'll make our other flowers. But let this dry. Once this is dry and once we're done making all the other flowers, I'll show it to you. You have to do the same process for the other flowers in different colors. I finished all the flowers. Now let's see how to make the stem. First, as I said in the materials, you need a sheet. So first you will have to roll it very small. As you keep rolling, eventually it will become big. And you just need patience. I'll show you once I'm done rolling it very big. At the end, you need to apply glue and stick it. Since I'm done, I'm showing it to you. If it is too long, you can always cut it in half. See, it's very long, so it won't fit in the pot. So I'm cutting it in half. It will be a bit hard to cut it in half because it's thick paper and you rolled it up. That's why it's thick. Now since we have that, you can paint it. I'll show you how to paint it later. If it is hard for you to paint it and it falls down, just put a pencil inside, a long pencil, and then you can hold it firmly and paint it easily. Now let's paint. So I'm going to take the paint and first you have to apply it thinly. Apply thin coats and do many coats because if you want the thick and green color, dark green color, you can take the color dark green, but if you have light green, you can do many thin coats to make a dark coat. I'll show you once I'm done painting them. Now we finish making the stem. The pencil, if it's too small, you can use paint brushes. I used paint brushes. Now let's make the leaf. You need a green paper or you can just take normal paper and paint it green. So first you'll have to draw some type of leaves. You can draw small leaves, big leaves. you have to draw the leaves according to the size of the flower. So I'm going to draw one leaf per a flower. So you have to cut it out and I'll show you once I'm done. So after you're done cutting the 3 leaves, you can use a black sketch pen to outline it and draw some details, or you can just leave it like this. So let's see how to make this, like how to construct it into this shape. First, you will have to take both of your stems. You can place it however you want, but I recommend placing one shorter and one taller, which would look much better. But first, you need to glue the leaves onto the flowers. First, you need to take the flowers very carefully and make sure you do not bend any part of it. And then you just apply glue at the back. You can add very little glue or a bit much if you're doing the whole leaf. So you can just attach it at the back over here. But be very gentle when you're doing it. See, I attached it at the back. So I'm going to do the same with the others. So now I'm going to do the other pink flower. Be careful when you're taking it. Now you can keep it in any shape, but I'm going to keep it in this type of shape. I'll close at the bottom and a bit space on the top. So first I'm going to attach my blue flower. Don't apply glue on the flower or else it might fall apart. So you can attach glue wherever you're going to stick it. I'm going to attach it over here. So I'm going to put glue in this area and this place. Now I've attached the flowers to the places where I wanted. You can attach it at the same place or you can attach it anywhere else. After it dries, you can take a pot of your choice which you painted. I chose this one because I like it and it's with flowers which we made here. So I'm going to put it in, but let it dry first. Before it dries, don't touch it or else it will break apart. So I'll show you. Now look at our beautiful flowers. They are ready. I made this earlier, the other day, just to test it, and this is the one we made today. You can see that last time I painted it a little light and this time I painted it dark so that it would look better. So if you want to make this, you can always use different sized pots. I'm using a big medium sized pot. So that if you choose a medium sized pot, it will be easier for you to put the stem and flowers in. Thanks for watching. If you liked it and tried it, comment down below, like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.